A genuinely properly clean floor, it's not an easy thing to achieve, but we wanted to get it right. Existing machines that wash floors, they suck up the water and going into this bin, and a lot of it going onto this filter. And that's a bacterial breeding ground, and that's a horrible job trying to wash that filter. The really nastiest things imaginable. And then washing and clearing that is incredibly difficult. So I was determined not to do that. Whereas we put everything in the cleaner head. We've got a very hygienic system. We haven't got a filter to wash, and we separate the hair and the matter from the dirty water. And you can take the cleaner head to the sink and wash it all out. So there's no dirty duct, no dirty filter. Only clean water is going back onto the floor. It took time and a lot of testing. Thousands and thousands of tests on nasty substances and on different floor surfaces. I argue the only hygienic floor washing machine. I'm really excited. I think these wet machines will be as popular as vacuum cleaners because it's just a much better way of cleaning the floor and leaves a sparkling finish.